are becoming increasingly constrained. Farmers are confronted by rising production costs, emerging pests and diseases, and unpredictable weather patterns. At the same time, the demand for safe, nutritious, and affordable food continues to grow. These realities call not for fear, but for innovation. They demand that we harness the best that science has to offer. Agricultural biotechnology has proven to be one of the transformative innovations of our time. It is not a silver bullet, but it is an essential component of a modern, sustainable, and resilient agricultural food system. It has enabled farmers to increase productivity, reduce crop losses, improve incomes, lessen environmental impacts, and strengthen national food security. The Philippines has every reason to be proud. We have long been recognized as a regional leader in the responsible adoption of agricultural biotechnology. This achievement did not happen overnight. It is the product of decades of scientific excellence, sound regulation, enlightened public policy, committed private sector investments, and most importantly, the confidence and courage of our Filipino farmers who have embraced innovation to improve their livelihoods. The 2024 ISA report on the global status of commercialized biotech GM crops provides compelling evidence that countries across the world continue to recognize the value of biotechnology in addressing the intertwined challenges of food security, environmental sustainability, and agricultural competitiveness. But data alone are not enough. The real challenge before us is transforming scientific evidence into public understanding, informed dialogue, and sound decisions. In an age when misinformation spreads faster than facts, transparency, responsible communication, and public engagement have become just as important as scientific discovery itself. This is precisely why today's press conference matters. Through the collaboration of ISA, CropLife Philippines, and Bayer Crop Science, we reaffirm our shared commitment to making credible scientific information accessible to the public. We